Hi cuties, I'm so excited to share with you a dream of mine that finally came true. I've been having my eye on this lights festival, and finally it came close enough to where I live so that we could go. It was such a fun and complete day because before it got dark, we got to hang out with family and friends on the grass, and then they provided these little Sharpies for us to draw on the lanterns. So of course that meant that it was my obligation to draw something really cute, right? And then I had to dedicate it to you guys for being such sweet fans. So once it got dark and they gave us the green light, everyone just started to light their lanterns. It was such an amazing and beautiful sight to see and feel when the lanterns first started to all go up. I wish for you too that one day you too can experience this magical moment. Thanks for watching and now sharing this with me via YouTube. I love you, Drastic Cuties. See you soon.
So close.